Extend the arms and propellers. Remember to lock the arm. If it is not locked, when the blades rotate, they will drive the arm and cause serious damage. Put the battery on. After put the batteries on, turn on the remote control first. Press and hold the power button to turn on the RC. Release the power button once the screen lights up. Adjust the position of the antenna. Secure the goods with rope. Open the flight software. Displaying, connecting. Turn on all the battery. Press briefly plus press and hold to turn on the battery. The drone and RC are connected. Check all the information displayed on the remote control. Hang the rope on the automatic hook. There are B1 and B2 buttons on the back of the remote control. Press B1 button and the hook will close. Pre-flight check. Make sure the battery is on green light. Move away from the takeoff point and clear the takeoff area. Go to Settings. Motor testing. The motor rotates automatically. Ensure that each motor is rotating correctly. After confirmed that everything is okay, back to main screen and prepare for takeoff. Unlock the drone. Landing procedure and lock the drone. To check is American hand. Other hand is the same process to check. Unlock again and take off.